Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Amritsar location. It is from Punjab. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for the positions mentioned in this video. And coming to the video, there is a job opening for the search engine optimization executive. It is from Amritsar Digital Academy. For this position, the responsibilities will include you have to work on link building strategies, and you have to work on project tracking and analysis, and work on off-page strategies and execution, and working on keyword research and all their SEO targets, and you have to work on website traffic and acquisition analysis, and you have to work on on-page optimization. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the job requirements, the candidates, only those students or freshers can apply who are available for full-time internship, and you should have relevant skills and interest, and you have to start the internship immediately, and you have to available for the duration of 6 months, and you should have already graduated or currently in any year of the study, and females willing to start or restart their career, they also can apply. These are some requirements for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the freelance photographer. It is from the Brewmaster. And if you see the skill sets required for this position, you have to be active with a good eye for a picture, and you should have excellent technical and photographic skills, and you should have good communication and people skills, and you should have good IT skills, especially with computer programs such as Photoshop, and you have to be commercial aware and good at marketing themselves. These are some skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details given here, and you can please apply by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the Food and Beverage Associate. It is from Fairfield Iron and sourced by Marriott. For this position, the responsibilities you should have complete closing duties, including storing all reusable goods, breaking down goods, cleaning all equipment and areas, and returning equipment to proper locations, locking refrigerators, restocking items, turning off lights, locking doors, and completing daily cleaning checklist. And you have to set up stock and maintain work areas, and inspect the cleanliness and presentation of all china, glass, and silver prior to use, and maintain cleanliness of work areas throughout the day, and practicing clean as you go procedures. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Next one, there is a job opening for the main stack developer. It is from Simba Quads. For this position, the responsibilities you have to detect and troubleshoot software issues, and you have to write clear quality code for software and applications, and perform test reviews, and you have to develop, implement, and test APIs, and you have to provide input on software development projects, and build features and applications with a mobile responsive design, and you have to write technical documentation, and work with data scientists and analysts to improve software. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications required, you have to be comfort using programming languages and relational databases, and you should have strong debugging and troubleshooting skills, and you should have 3 years plus experience in development. Interested candidates can please go through the details given here, and you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the radiologist. It is from Masadir. For this position, you should have qualifications like MD or DNB in radiology, and you should have 2 to 10 years of experience in this field, and the salary will be as per the industry standards. Interested candidates, you can please go through the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the web development internship. It is from Astropole Technology Solutions. For this position, the responsibilities will include like troubleshoot and fix any issues relating to PHP programs and ensure smooth operations of web process and infrastructure, create documentation for the creative software, and produce results effectively and within the deadline set, and write clean and well designed code and produce detailed specifications, troubleshoot, test and maintain the core product software and databases to ensure strong optimization and functionality, and you have to contribute all phases of the development life cycle, and you have to follow industry best practices, develop and deploy new features to facilitate related procedures and tools if necessary. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this internship. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details given here, and you can apply by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the executive credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like you have to study and analyze process to identify risk, implementation of credit policy and continuous evaluation to ensure adherence to the policy and compliance with the authority matrix at HO in the area assigned, and you have to create appraisal for seller finance and conduct PD with the customers for high seller finance loans. And if you see the required qualifications and experience for this position, like you have to be a graduate and worked in NBFC with at least 4 to 5 years, and you should know data analysis or process mapping skills, and you should have good communication skills. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the digital project manager. It is from Wins Digital. For this position, the responsibilities will include like uh, you have to outline project goals, timeline, budget, and execution plan, follow compliance and quality standards throughout the project, facilitate communication between relevant internal business units, and you have to communicate with client to understand needs and manage expectations. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications required, like you should have bachelor's degree for 5 years plus experience in digital marketing space, and strong analytical communication and leadership skills, and you should have experience in working with social media in professional setting, and you should have knowledge of industry trends and standards. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.